Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 11 mensuration chapter. In that chapter, three shapes they are given there. One is a cube shape, another is cuboid, third one is cylinder case. There surface area, total surface area and lateral surface area, how to finding that type of questions they are given in the exercise 11.3. Then 11.3 here first a cube case. See, this is an cube shape. What are the examples for a cube shape? Die is an example for a cube shape. So many items are there. Die is the best example for a cube shape. Cube has how many face? It have a 6 face, top and bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many faces? 6 faces. Each face is in which shape? Square shape. Each face are in the square shape. How many edges it have? Here cube has a edge means a line segment. How many are there? 12 are there. See, first face 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way back side 5, 6, 7, 8. Then top 9, 10. Already this part counting completed. 11, 12. So total how many are there? 12 faces it have. So we can say how many edges it have? 12 edges, 6 faces. Then how many vertices? Vertices means 2, 3 line segment joining point. We call it as vertices or corner. See, this line, this and this 3 are intersecting point, we get one vertex. Here, this 3 line segment intersecting point. From here also, this and 3 intersect. Like this, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many corner are there or vertices are there? 8 vertices are there. Then we want to find out a CSA. CSA not LSA. LSA means a lateral surface area of a cube. How to find out? Cube lateral surface asking time only 4 face only we consider. 1, 2, 3, 4 face. Top and bottom face not consider. Only 4 face only consider. Each face is in which shape? Square shape. This 4 shape, 4 faces area were adding time we get lateral surface area of the cube. 4 faces. First cube this one. Square is this one. What is the formula for area of a square? Side into side. So first face case square area plus second square area plus third face square area plus fourth square area were adding. So generally how many faces? 4 faces are there. Each of them generally how we can write area of the square. Area of the square how we can find side into side or S into S, S square or A into A square like this way. So we can A square or S square we can use 4 times area of the square multiplying time we get the LSA of the cube. It denoted as a unit as a square unit. Maybe side given as meter means final answer write it as meter square or square meter. Side value given as in centimeter means answer part you can mark it as a square centimeter or a centimeter square. The next word is TSA, total surface area of a cube. Total surface area of a cube, how to find out means that total means full face area. Here also how many face? 6. All these 6 faces are in which shape? Square shape. So that's why first square plus area plus second square face area plus third face area plus fourth face area plus fifth place area plus sixth face area like this 6 faces are there. So 6 into Area of generally area of a square formula, side into side a square or a square. So 6 times area of the square multiplying time you get. There also unit to become square unit is the answer place we are writing. A square unit means in value given side value given as in meter, we represent as square meter. Side value given as centimeter means square centimeter. Then next shape is here another shape given as a cuboid case. The cuboid is example for cuboid. Sponge duster is an example for a cuboid shape. Your pencil box is an example for a cuboid shape. Sweets box is an example for a cuboid shape. Shoe box is an example. So many items are there. So this is also a cuboid. Cuboid specialties in all face are in which shape? Rectangle shape. See, this face a rectangle, 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 all. So how many face it have? Cuboid case also 6 face, top, bottom. This right side, left side, front, back. So total how many face? 6 face. For cuboid, how many edges asking them? That also how many are there? 12 edges. How to identify? Yes, see, first front facing 1, 2, 3, 4. Back space remaining 5, 6, 7, 8. Not counting part. 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges it have. Corner or vertices asking time. This form 3 lines are joining part. We call it as vertices or corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back side 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many edges it vertex it also have? 8 are there. Then here also we want to find out a lateral surface area of a cuboid. Lateral surface area of a cuboid, how to find out means each face is in which shape? Rectangle shape. Lateral surface asking time how many face only we consider? 4 face only consider. Not top and bottom, we consider front, back, left, right. This part only 4 face only consider. But a rectangle case, what is the formula for 4 face area of a rectangle? Adding time you get the LSA of the cuboid. So see, in this cuboid, a cuboid in this way keeping means this first front side, this first face. This side represent as a length and this is the height. Okay, this part represent as a height, length of the cuboid. This is the height of the cuboid. This part represent as a breadth of the cuboid. Listen, this one is length, breadth, height. So here also, all the case also length, here length, breadth, height, like that only. That's why each case how to find out the first face. First face rectangle shape. Area of a rectangle we want to find out. But here length place which alphabet length represent as a L. And height breadth represent as a, in this rectangle breadth is equal to the height of the cuboid. That's why area become length into breadth means L into H is the formula. Then next first face is equal to the second face. Why? Because they are opposite faces only. So opposite face case also same only. Length of this rectangle is L. Then breadth represent as height of the cuboid. So we can write it as LH. LH is the formula for first and second face. Next third and fourth face case. Third face, see, it is also a rectangle shape, but length of this rectangle is equal to the breadth of the cuboid. And breadth of the rectangle is equal to the height of this cuboid shape. Breadth of this rectangle represent as a height of the, that's why area become length into breadth is the formula. So length here represent as B and breadth here H. So BH is the formula for Third face case. Third and fourth face are opposite faces. They are equal measurement. That's why fourth face area also become how much BH is the area of the fourth face. Here how many times LH is repeated? The 2 times LH is repeated. How many times BH is the 2 times BH is there. Then which alphabet and which number is common? 2 is common in first and second. So 2 take common outside. In first time H is there, second time H is there. That H take common outside. Remaining alphabets keep inside the bracket. Here first term L is remaining and plus is remaining and B is remaining. So what is the LSA of a cuboid formula? LSA of cuboid formula, we can tell that 2H into L plus B square unit is the formula for finding a LSA of a cuboid. This is how to get it. This is about expansion form. How to, what is the answer? Formula is 2H into L plus B is the formula for a LSA of a cuboid. Next we want to find a TSA of a cuboid. How to get TSA part? TSA means total face we want to consider. Total face. TSA represent as total surface area of a cuboid. Total surface area of a cuboid has how many faces? 6 faces. Each face is in which shape? A rectangle shape. Each 6 face rectangle area we are adding. Already lateral surface case 4 face rectangle values are adding that one once again first face area plus second face area plus third face rectangle area plus fourth. Then fifth and sixth means top and bottom. See, here a top and bottom case, this is the longest side, we call it as length, the shortest side breadth. But in this top of this, with respect to cuboid, this longest side is the breadth of that cuboid. And the shortest side, here this small line represent as L value. So, area of this fifth face, how we can write length into breadth is formula. But here in which way coming BL is come B into L we are getting. Then that is equal to the bottom part. The top and bottom are opposite side there. That's why. So bottom part area also how much will coming a L into H is B into L is the formula. Then how many times it will coming there? 2 times LH is there. So we can write 2 times LH plus how many times BH? 2 times BH plus how many times BL? 2 times BL is coming there. Then which number numerical value is common there? 2 is common outside. So that's why we take common outside. But formula telling time we are saying LB plus length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. That's why reversely we can write. Remaining 2 take common outside. Remaining is BL is common. Here BH is remaining there. Here LH is remaining. That one is we write. So, but we can say what is the TSA of a cuboid? TSA of a cuboid represent as 2 into BL or LB. Any order we can write. LB plus BH plus HL is the formula for finding the TSA of a cuboid. LSA of cuboid is 2H into L plus B. They are areas or area represent as a square units. Basis of a length, breadth, height, they are given in centimeter means a square centimeter. Then length, breadth, height they are given in meter means a final answer we represent as a square meter. Length, breadth, height given in the given in a millimeter means a square millimeter. That way we can identify. Then next shape is a cylinder shape. In cylinder shape, here see in cylinder, this is the shape of cylinder shape. Cylinder shape. Cylinder means this part represent as a curve part. This is a curve part and top and bottom are a circle part. See, this is curve part and top and bottom are the circle part. That's why cube and cuboid case their faces are in the which shape? Square and a rectangle shape. In cylinder case the face are in the curve part and a circular part. That's why here we using not LSA, we using CSA. CSA full form is curved surface area, CSA. We want to find out a CSA of a cylinder. How to find out the CSA of cylinder means first step, this cylinder shape I cut and cover will removing this here straightly I cut and remove it like this. Removing time which shape will coming one rectangle shape. See why here rectangle shape will coming why? Because this see this rectangle paper rolling time we get a cylinder shape. This rectangle paper rolling time we get a cylinder shape. Then straightly cutting and removing means which shape will coming getting the rectangle shape will getting there. So what we can say that here in a cylinder case this part represent as a height of the cylinder. This part represent as a height of the cylinder. This is height of the cylinder, H value. Then and the down and top part is in which shape? A circle shape. Then that cylinder cutting and opening time we get a rectangular shape. So this circular part turning time, rolling time, this length part, rolling time, we get a circle shape. Rolling time, we get a circle shape. That's why this part, length of this rectangle represent as the circumference of the circle. Why? Why? Because the length part, rolling time, rolling and making as a cylinder, we get a circle part. So the length is equal to the circumference of a circle. What is the formula for finding circumference of a circle? 2 pi r is the circumference of a circle. And the breadth of this rectangular paper is equal to the height of the cylinder. Breadth of this rectangular paper is equal to the height of the cylinder. So length we get 2 pi r and breadth is equal to height. Then next CSA of cylinder, how to find out length into this length into breadth is the formula. Rectangle case, length into breadth. So length is how much? 2 pi r is the length. Breadth is how much? H. That is why formula for CSA of cylinder is how much? 2 pi r h is the formula for finding a CSA of the cylinder square unit. Area represent as a square. Understood? Length is represent as is equal to the surface area, circumference of a circle. Why? Because this length shape, length part, rolling time we get a circular. See, length part, opposite sides are length. These two opposite are breadth. Rolling time, down part, circle shape. Then a total surface area, TSA of a cylinder. How to find out? TSA of cylinder, how to find out means CSA part of the cylinder is added with the top and bottom which shape? Top and bottom which shape? Circle shape. Area of this two circle. What is the formula for finding area of a circle? Pi r square. Here how many circle are there? 2 circles. So 2 times area of the circle. So 2 into area of circle is pi r square. CSA of a cylinder, now we got how much? 2 pi RH is the formula plus 2 pi r square. This 2 pi r square, right? Then common terms, take common outside. 2 pi r, here also 2 pi, 1 r we can take common also. So 2 pi r take common. Remaining from first term h is remaining plus from second term from r square 1 r take outside. One more r is there. So h plus r. So what is the formula? 2 pi r into h plus r is the formula for finding a TSA of this. How to get in this way getting the answer. So TSA of cylinder formula is 2 pi r into h plus r. CSA of cylinder represent as a 2 pi RH is the formula for finding a CSA of the cylinder. I hope you can understand this 3 shapes LSA, LSA means lateral surface area. TSA represent as total surface area. Then a cube and a cuboid case, we use only LSA. Why? Because the shape of each face are a square and a rectangle shape. That's why. But in cylinder case, one face is in which shape? A curve shape only. That's why we use in CS. Both are same meaning only, but here we use a curved surface area. Formula is 2 pi r h. TSA of cylinder, find the formula 2 pi r into h plus r is the formula. Then using this formula, remaining questions we can discuss on next class. Thank you.